Next, okay. Account blackout policy, computer configuration, policy, Windows settings, security settings, account blackout, account policies, then account blackout policy, account blackout duration should be 30 minutes. Good, enter. Okay, enter, enter. And then account blackout threshold should be 3. Next, reset account blackout counter after 30 minutes, already correct, enter. Then X, and then do this one. Okay, delegation, add the IT admins. Let's just create another security group inside the domain. tpt.com users, create or new group, IT admins, admin. Then group policy, IT. Name. There we go. Okay. Probably no ban. They should have full, you call this? Full control, and then exception. Apply group policy, deny. Apply, yes, and then okay. That's good. So again, let's create another new policy. Another policies for members. Edit. Then remove links and access to Windows Update. Can be found in user config, policies, Windows setting. User config, Windows components. I cannot find the Windows components. Oh, there we go, in administrative templates. And then Windows Update. And remove access to use all Windows Update, properties, enabled, apply, then okay. Next, remove network connections from the start menu, user config, administrative templates, then start menu and taskbar. Remove the network connections icon. Remove the network connections icon. Remove network connections. Remove network from start menu. Properties enabled, apply. Oh no, sorry, let's click properties, enabled, apply, and then okay. Next, letter O, remove network connections from the start menu. Oh, good. That's what we have done. Next is letter P. Remove help menu from the start. The same here. Let's just find it here. Remove help from the start menu. Remove help. Oh, there you go. Remove help menu from start menu. Properties. Enabled, apply, okay. Then remove run menu from the start menu. Run menu. Remove run menu. There we go. Remove run menu. Properties. Enable apply. Okay. Then next, remove my pictures icon. Remove pictures icon. Properties. Enabled. Apply. Okay. Next, remove music icon. Properties. Enabled. Apply. Okay. Next, remove network playset icon. Network. Enabled. Apply. And then okay. Add log off on the start menu. Still in the same folder. Add log off on the start menu. Properties. Enabled. Apply. And then okay. Remove Task Manager from Control-Alt-Delete, user config, administrative templates, system, and then Ctrl-Alt-Del. Where's that? Oh, there you go. Remove Task Manager, enabled. Next, W, Internet Explorer browser title, W. It can be found in administrative template, user config, Windows component, Internet Explorer, customize the browser title, browser title. Cannot find the browser title. Mm, maybe we can find it in here. Customize the browser title. I remember it here in Windows settings, maybe. Internet Explorer, browser user interface. There you go, browser title. Customize title bars, and then at domain. Domain name is ppt.com. ppt.com. Okay, we will access to Microsoft component. Ah, sorry for that. So user config, administrative templates, and network connection. Prohibit access properties of component to align selection is enabled. Apply. Okay. Prevent access to the command prompt. User config, administrative template, system. And then prevent access to the command prompt. Properties enabled. Apply. Okay. To the registry editing tool. Properties enabled. Apply. Delay frame. Maybe access to the control panel. Email, control email, edit, property, enabled, apply, okay. And let's X the policy editor. Double click this one, okay. Click delegation, add, and then type in admin, and then check all the admins list. Admin. Admin. Ad- Then admin is included. Let's place admin. Let's add another admin. Admin. Check name. Then speaker. Okay. So let's edit their properties. Full control. Apply to policy look. Authenticate the user. Name. Apply. Deny. Deny. And replace admin deny. Administrator deny. Allow. Right. Okay. Good. So let's just click command prompt and then type in gp update dashboard. Ah, user policy update has completed successfully. Good. No. So that's it. We now have completed number 8, which is group policies.